The Vice President for Imperial International School 2026 the President of Imperial International School 2026
I'm really happy to be here, and I want to thank Lasagna for this nice experience I've had. I want to thank everyone, each one of you who voted for me, and for people who didn't, I also thank you for voting my friend Rawan. She deserves, being in this place. Plus, I will do my best as a vice president to hear you also and work in ideas with you to make Imperial a better place. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for voting me, and thank you for trusting me to make this year a better year. Thank you everyone!